Hey guys, and hi my friend Sarah. So today I'm going to be making a video of all of my cats and I'm going to show you what food I she use. Sorry guys, I sound so different because I'm sick right now and then I have surgery. Yeah. But yeah, yesterday I went to this shop and then I got this cool jeans wallet. It's just kind of like a normal wallet, but I like the outside, so jeans and yeah. And so I'm gonna be making So first of all, I'm gonna show you the food that I put it. And by the way, guys, my yesterday I went to this pet lover center in Colvin. It's like, my God, it's like this. I bought this one. It's in Whiskers, perfectly chicken and duck and tree. My cat loves to eat this. Whiskers. And by the way, it's like, this is only 70 cents or 78 cents. And I got a Snappy Tom Fresh Catch. And I got the fish one, that's tuna, and I put it at back of my house. So yeah. And yeah. And by the way, guys, I'm gonna buy the big bottle. Like that is like $1. I thought it was a pretty good deal to get it. So I'm going today. I think I got also see that. Hits from off. So this and then just down there. Sometimes I will put it in a bag and different. See, that's my cat. Put it towards a little towards it. So that's my cat. Yeah. That's my cat. So she's not a stray cat. I think she is a really good kitty. See, she loves me. Yeah, she's pushing this thing. She loves me first and then she's like that. She loves me. Aren't she? So now on, I'm gonna give her the food that I need to. And then I'm gonna give her this. Hold on a second, guys. So yeah. just washed it. And then all you need to do is just no, get up. And I'm gonna take a piece of scissors. So I'm gonna put it down here, just like that. And you might not gonna see this because it's disgusting ever. A bit slimy. So it's pretty dirty in my hands, so I'm going to wash all of this. Okay. You can get this in the pet store or any kind of like grocery store. How do you sell this store? And I only laugh at a Snappy Tom Fresh Catch. I don't know what this is, but I think it's yummy for a cat. I'm gonna bring my computer down so I can see. She's eating right now. Hello. So, I don't know if you can see her. She's right there. And I have a newspaper, and then this is her drinking thing. This is like meat for my sister, because she went to Nafa. So I'm gonna like gonna finally go wash the water. Okay. So yeah. So let's go now. So I'm right here, so you don't. So just a few of water. I need to take a bath of her. So yeah. Her drinking water. Yeah. Eat it. And I'm just gonna put it at the thing. The cat is a really good cat. So let's go into the pet store near my house. And by the way, North Sarah, my house number is 68581156, Hougang Avenue 3, Block 248, near the Xinhua. Okay, the back gate. You can see that 7-Eleven. You just go straight down floor. Very good. Okay, guys. So if you want to see a lot of my videos, so click that below. Bye, guys.